Hello, today I am here with our wonderful viewer Christel, who invited us to stay at her house here in Massam, England. She is going to show us how to brew a proper cup of English tea. Not the American way where you just throw the tea bag in. This is a proper English cup of tea. Now, what's interesting though is I was asking how she did it, and she said, well, it's on the back of the box. So, if you forget how to do it, you get some real English tea, which this one I just got today at the store, and I thought it looked really good. I love English breakfast. So, we're going to give it a try. So, talk us through how you make a proper cup of English tea.
What I would do is draw the cold water into the kettle, and so you've got fresh water, boil it, and then use the water to warm the pot.
Okay.
Swish it around with some warm water, and then put in 1 teaspoon per person of tea into the pot, and 1 for the pot.
Okay, so we're going to walk through having you show us how you do all that, and I'm going to get out of the way. Okay. So Dave, come in and do a close-up of her pouring it in.
Yep.
So here's we're warming the pot. Stir it gently.
Yeah.
And then say 1, 2, 3, 4. Same 1 for the pot, because it's just a small teapot. And I'll just
It has to be super boiling, right?
I like it boiling, yes, and then there we go. And then I would get a teaspoon.
Ooh, a real teaspoon.
Gentle agitation.
A real teaspoon.
And then let it infuse for a few minutes, 4 minutes, it says on the back of the packet.
4 minutes, okay. All right, we're going to come back in 4 minutes. Okay, we're back 4 minutes later, and there is a way that you pour this because you don't want tea leaves all in your tea.
No, a lot of people like to put milk in first, or they say it protects the china, but the way I do it is I put the tea in first.
Okay.
So I use a little sieve and hold on to the top of the teapot to catch the leaves. There we go. That's 1. 2. It's a nice tea you bought there.
Did I? Good. I did good?
You did really good, yes. Taylor's of Harrogate's really good tea. And then you might ask people how they like their tea and pour a little bit of milk in.
And then sugar if they want, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, that's good.
That's a good cup of tea.
You made a good cup of tea.
It's a good cup of tea.
Wow. Okay, I think I'm going to be making proper English tea from now on.
Yeah, you're very welcome.
All right, thank you, Christel. We really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out livingonadime.com, and we'll see you guys next time.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Quality of the tea that makes it. Absolutely. Really sad.
Good stuff.
It's
wonderful.
Something that,
Cool.